our next project for my viewers. So as you can see, I had opened the work is that we have done yesterday I had done these things. I will open my VS Code. Here I will simply make a file that will be named by one.html. Simply Control B. There will be an favorite part, the doc type. Simply add the title will be HTML, CSS and JavaScript. There will be a style. We don't need style, but we have to write. That is a compulsory. It looks like this. First I am going to tell you how can you have a color picker here. Like which color picker I will tell you here. I will control T, color. If I write a color, that picker I will write color picker. So that's called a color picker. And you can say here too, I will do the style, the body, background color. What will be the background color if I take the aqua color, and there will be RGB, you can say that called an RGB, that is called a color picker. You can do light, more lighter, dark, many colors. So I will show you how can you make in HTML. So how? Only write an input with the type color, save it. Simply go like. So I am telling you the thing that nobody tell you in the web development. And refresh it with. We have to hide many things. That is the first O. That is a color picker like this. The R, G and B. So R for red, B for blue and G for green. Because these are the colors. You can take RGB or HSL. You can take HSL or hex with the ID and copy it simply. If I click here and take the color, which color I want, this color. If I want this color, so that will be this color. If I need this color, wait, I want to take the refresh. So that will be the refresh. If I want this, so that will be this. But this is not. We like the best language for those programmers, that is script. I love to write the script. If you like to write script, so comment me below. Now I am going to tell you how can you make your own URL. Simply write here. The first we need here a paragraph. In the body paragraph with the ID, I am going to write a demo script. Scripting time, bro. Simply document the file, get element by the ID. What is the ID? The ID I am going to give, that is demo, and then we are going to write dot inner HTML as equal to get and space. Simply we can write a curly bracket. Simply we are going to write in the curly braces. Now what we need here? We need here the, like we can say the full URL is. Full URL is the URL of this page is. Simply come here and write plus window. Wait, what will be here? There will be anything we are going to add. We are going to write first. There will be, wait. You can say that not curly bracket. It's not no. Like this. And then window the main process dot location dot have. Simply semicolon, save it, come here. Refresh it with word demo. The mistake is demo, save it. How the URL is here, you can see here, but we need and we are here. we can add the BR here too, like this. The HTTPS, the local host of I think you want to take, like, come here at your page and you can copy this. Simply come, left click, inspect. We are testing that. Inspect to the page and to the console. Here, Control L to clear the page. Control V, and that's your URL. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will be seeing the next video with my new content, and we are so much near about 500 subscribers. Be with me and learn the web development tricks and tips, and we are going to create many projects here. So take care. Allah Hafiz.